This is Guide to Georgia Outdoors, and we are about to blow some dams up with some tannerite.